What's up, guys? Welcome back to the part 2 of this video series where we are learning about how to add live video shopping or live streaming shopping feature on your Shopify store. If you haven't checked my part 1 of this video, you can click the small I button on top and find out the video. It is better if you check the first part before going through the second part, as you might be a little bit confused when I discuss about what the Rosy app is. So go on the first part and check that out first if you haven't watched it. So continuing from the first part, once you are on the back end of your Shopify store page or or store website, all you need to do is go to sales channel and you will find Rosy. If you remember, we installed this Rosy app in our part 1 of the video. So click on the Rosy sales channel, and here you will find step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4 in order to create a promotion. Now you can see here that I have already linked my Rosy account to the Shopify store, but what you will see is a sign up and login screen. So what you need to do is log in with uh, your Google account or Facebook account or Twitch account or Apple account. For now, I'll just log in with my Google account. So here you can see my Gmail account has been connected to the Rosy account, which is eventually connected to the Shopify store. Now on the step 2, you will see how many products are available on your Rosy account. Now when you are registering for the first time, even if you have a list of, like, let's say 10 or 25 or even more products on your Shopify store, you will see 0 products available on Rosy. So in order to change this, you need to click on change product availability status on Rosy and then select the product. I have created a test product just for reference. And once you select your product which you want to be available on your live video streaming service, just click on more actions and then click on add available channel. So you will see there are 2 available channels right now. One is online store and other is Rosy. You need to check both of these in order to be available on both the sales channels. Just click make the products available on both the channels, and once everything is done, go back to your Rosy account or Rosy sales channel. So here step 1 is done, that is linking your account to Rosy account, linking your Rosy account to the Shopify store. Step 2 is making products available on Rosy, which is also done. Now step 3 is creating a promotion. You can see I have already created a test promotion, but in order to create a new promotion, you will see an option here, create promotion, or you can click on here. Now the creating a live video promotion is like setting up your live video streaming service on your Shopify website, like how would it look and what are the products will be offered, what the title will be, what the price of the product will be, etc. So from here you can select the product which you want to be available on your Shopify live video streaming service. For now, only one product can be marketed on one live video session. Maybe they will increase the number of products in the coming months or in future, but for now you can only market one product during your live video session. So I have selected that product. Now you need to add the details of the promotion, let's say title, sales target, which is optional, but if there is any sales target, and the sales window, which you can keep, let's say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending upon how long you want your live video session to be. Sorry. Yeah. The next thing is discount code. Here you can create a discount code, let's say test12, and you can offer what kind of discount you want the customers to use. If it's a percentage discount or fixed amount discount or free shipping. And at last, this is an optional information, but if you would like to overlay some information on your live video session, you can add title, then you can add description, you can add any other description if you want. And at last, there is a call to action option. You can change the text here. This link is the link with which users will be able to join your live video session. So this is how you create an actual promotion. Add as much details as possible about your product and about discounts and about any overlay information, and then call to action. Then just click on save. Once all this is done, you'll complete step 3, that is creating a live video promotion. And after that, all you need to do is select this QR code or scan this QR code in your mobile device and download this or download directly from App Store the Rosy app. So what it's going to do is uh, you can host the live video session from your mobile device and it will start streaming on your uh, Shopify website. This all will be discussed in step 3. Like once you create all the steps on the sales channel, what you need to do in order to go live and promote your product. I'll discuss all those steps in the part 3 of the video. But for now, just install Rosy app on your iOS device and log in with the exact same account with which you logged in the first step. That is on your Shopify, the one which you use on your Shopify store. So I hope guys this video was very straightforward and you find it useful. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates and wait for the part 3 of this video. It will be uploaded soon. You can check it out. And if you have any query or questions regarding how to enable live video streaming service on your Shopify website, feel free to add in comments. Bye bye, take care, and see you in the next video.